Okay, let's put some code to make the connection to the server. The server-side application is on our local machine, so we are using localhost, and the port to connect to is 4228. So to do that, we need to create an object to represent the client. So to do this, we use an object from the class socket. So we type the code to connect. So connect to the server at localhost port 4228. So class socket equivalent to new socket. Okay, the address of the host. In this case, I'm using localhost, so I'm using inet address to get localhost. This one here. And then the port number 4228. Okay, import the class from java.net. This statement here is throwing an exception. We throw. Okay, next is we need to read current date from the network, which is the one sent by the server. We need to use an input stream. We can get an input stream from the socket object that we have created here. So here we from network. Okay, so socket dot get input stream. It will return an object of input stream. So we are going to wrap it inside another stream called buffered reader. So we use buffered reader. Okay, new buffered reader. And chain it to new input stream reader. Okay, and we put another one here. So to make it more readable, so we import buffered reader and import input stream reader. Okay, right. So usually we chain it with buffered reader so that we can read it almost natural. Okay. Then we read the data from the input stream using the reader and assign it to another variable. So let's say here we have buffered reader. We call the method read. Okay, so we are reading the line. Okay, we want to read a string. So read line, it will return a string. So the one that we string current date. After that, we close everything. Meaning that first we close the buffered reader. Dot close, and then we close the connection as well. So anything open will be closed. So we have implemented all the steps described in slide number 42.